Best Stocks, the best channel for you to keep up to date on the stock market. Amazon to split its shares after it dropped drastically. Since Amazon.com Incorporated's 20-for-1 stock split went into effect, its Nasdaq, AMZN, minus 2.52% stock has traded in the three-digit range for the first time in roughly 5 years. For Monday morning, the stock was up just 0.7% in pre-market trade to begin slightly around $123 after closing on Friday at a pre-split adjusted $2,447. Before the split, the stock had not traded below a four-digit level. For the first time in 23 years, Amazon will split its shares after the price dropped 2.5% to a split-adjusted $122.35 on Friday, ending a six-day winning streak in which the stock had risen by 20.6%. As of Friday, the stock had lost 26.6% of its value this year, while the S&P 500 had lost 13.8%. Jeff Bezos, who was moved to CEO of Amazon's consumer unit last year to supervise the company's vast warehouse and logistics development, will quit on July 1st, according to a regulatory filing Friday. Clark tweeted, "It's time for me to say goodbye and begin a new path. Thank you for your support." Clark's successor has not been announced by Amazon. It is expected that the corporation will provide an upgrade within the next several weeks, according to CEO Andy Jassy. This has been the most difficult and unexpected period in the history of Amazon's consumer business, and I appreciate Dave's leadership, especially throughout that time, Jassy said on the company blog in a tribute to the late founder and CEO. As a result of the coronavirus epidemic and Amazon's subsequent 2 years of rapid expansion, the first quarterly loss in 7 years for the corporation was in April. Extra Space is expected to add $10 billion in expenditures in the first half of this year, according to the company. As a result of the pandemic, Amazon has doubled its fulfillment network capacity since 2020 to expedite delivery to customers. However, when the outbreak died down, Amazon found itself with an excess of storage space. The Seattle-based corporation is looking to sublease at least 10 million square feet of warehouse space and examining alternatives to discontinue or renegotiate agreements with outside warehouse owners. Just over a year after Jassy took over for Jeff Bezos, Amazon's founder and former CEO, the outspoken Clark has announced his resignation. Charlie Bell, a trusted advisor to Jassy, left Amazon Web Services last year. The stock of Amazon fell on Friday, putting an end to a 6-session gaining streak that had been the best for the firm since 2015. It will be the first time since the dot-com boom that Amazon shares will be divided in half, with the new shares trading at a 20-for-1 ratio following Friday's close. Did you like the video? Leave your like, subscribe, and activate the bell, so you don't miss the next videos.